Hello, in today's video I will tell you how to delete a voice clone or custom voice from 11 Labs app. To do that we need to go here, and as you can see, when I go to my voices I created, I don't have any options or three dots to open the settings and actually delete the voice. That's because the option to delete it is limited. So technically you can't even delete the thing you created. You can delete the projects you created, but you can't delete the voice you created. So even if you have your own voice cloned and you don't want it to be on the app, there is nothing you can do unless you are a premium user, because premium users are capable of deleting these things. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.